We're going to create a sample using prompts and URLs. So go Start, Data Toolbar, for Chrome and Firefox. Let's go ahead and start with our sample. We're going to choose extension. We're going to lock it down with the pin. We're going to go to Data Toolbar, Start Data Toolbar. So we're going to go ahead and choose each of the items. And I'm going to grab the first one again because I'm going to do that as a URL. Now I'm going to choose this little pencil thing that creates a prompt. Company name is a prompt. Address. City. State. Zip code. Phone number. Now this is going to be a URL. This is special. I'm going to hit the little page icon. I'm going to call this URL under field name. And I'm going to change the drop down to link. So this scraper is now completely written for the entire page with prompts and how to set a URL. Hit get data. And here you go with 100 records. Scroll all the way to the right. You can see we've captured the URL. Now, if you go under project properties, let's say that we want to save this to a CSV file. I hit the 3 ellipses. Now, I use something called Data Toolbar Scraper CSVs, of which I already have several of my own for other scrapers, but let's just call this sample 2. Hit save. Hit done. Let's do a get data. And I'll uncheck, we can use open file if we want. Go ahead and hit save. And it opened up the Excel sheet as the default. And here's all your records.